Kurseong, the land of white orchids. A small town in the district of Darjeeling, North Bengal, situated at 1,475 meters above sea level, Kurseong is well connected to Siliguri, Kalimpong, Gangtok, and to the nearest airport at Bagdogra and railway station at NJP by an all-weather metal road. With the natural advantage of a congenial climate and elevation, its lush green forests and tea plantations strewn on the slopes and its ridges, Kurseong offers a welcoming respite to a weary traveller. Although a small town, but has vivid colours of life. Starting from sunrise, the heritage toy train passes through the entire town, taking tourists and locals to their destinations. The fresh baked cakes and buns makes delicious breakfast for the locals and tourists to start the day. Kurseong has one of the most magnificent view of the distant plains covered by tropical vegetation and meandering rivers, set against the panoramic range of snow-clad summits of Mount Kanchenjunga, Kabru and Jannu. That is why the British called it a Constantia. In the past, the peaceful, serene and healthy climate of this unsuspecting little town attracted many notable personalities, which was an inspiration for some of their famous works. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Museum and NSC Bose Institute of Asiatic Studies. Netaji was interned in this house of his elder brother, Sarat Chandra Bose, by the British government in the late 1930s. This house, situated at Gidda Pahar, around 3 kilometers from the town, now displays photocopies of the exchange of letters between Netaji and his would-be wife, Miss Emily. There are many rare photographs of his stint at the Indian National Army, other memorabilia of the Indian freedom movement, and a few personal belongings of Netaji and the Bose family. Rock Garden. Situated near the Netaji Museum, the garden is in a natural form, adding attraction to Kurseong, and is a place worth visiting. Gidda Pahar Durga Mata Mandir, also named as Shri Shri Seti Devi Mandir. The temple is more than 125 years old and is located 2 kilometers from Kurseong Market on Hill Cart Road to Siliguri. This temple is one of the most visited Hindu temples in Darjeeling Hills. Eagles Crag Viewpoint. A short walking distance from Kurseong railway station, the popular tourist spot of Eagles Crag Viewpoint is perched on a cliff. One can have a sweeping view of the surrounding mountain, hill, hamlets and slopes from this point. A solemn concrete altar stands in the park with a kukuri standing on the top, called Shaheed Smarak. Barbong Dara, Sunrise Viewpoint. A little further from Naya Basti is the sunrise viewpoint surrounded by forests. From this viewpoint, one can have a wonderful view of the plains and of the fateful landslide caused by Pagla Jora or the Mad Stream. The sunrise you see from here is different from other sunrise points, an ideal place for hikers and trekkers.